G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Today we're taking a look at the Silverlight hiking socks. Now I'll be upfront, they contacted me asking me if I'd like to take a look at these, try them out and make a review. Everything in this is me. They haven't told me anything I have to say. Just have a look and see what I think. So I haven't worn them yet. I only got them the other day and this is the first chance I've had. You can see the packaging is a bit squashed coming through the post. So I thought I'd just have a quick go over them, what the specs are, what they're saying, and then I'll actually put them on today and I'll go and do my first walk testing with them. I've got a 3-day bush walk coming up soon, so I'll be wearing them then too, and I'll just keep using them as much as possible, and there'll be a future video. And as most of you know who've watched my video for a while, I'm not a person who just does one video, this is it, done. I come back a year later, 2-3 years later, maybe a bit longer at times. I make sure I test the gear out. So let's read it. We've got here Silverlight hiking socks, 1 pair, 1 tree, 1% for the planet, lifetime guarantee. This packaging was printed with vegetable based inks on paper from sustainable sources. Okay, we've got super durable hiking for hundreds of miles with socks that are built to last. Now the first thing I'll do is I'll actually get them out. And as you can see, they're still squashed and flat. What I do like is they got, I don't know if you can see it there, they got right foot and then L for left foot. Yeah, you could just see they are made different shape. That one cuts down that way, big toe coming down to the little toe, and the same here, big toe coming down to the little toe. I like that idea because on a lot of socks that gets gathered up and balls up and makes it uncomfortable, so there's less there to get gathered up, so thumbs up straight away with that. And so we've got elasticated bits going around, so it's going to hold it in place and comfortable on your foot. The stitching, there's no stitching on the outside. I think they say it's stitch free, so it's worth a proper look. Let's go inside. Oh, let's have a look. Here we are. And one little stitch there, very soft and fine, and the same on the other end there, very soft and fine. I might just trim them back. So loose thread there. Oh, you can see the silver in that piece. Yeah, I'll trim all those little loose bits. All in all, it looks pretty nice. Where the heel goes, it's a nice little padded part. Material feels, I could say, a lot smoother on the outside. Inside just feels a little bit new, a little bit harder than, I suppose after a few days wearing and couple of washes, that'll be okay, nice and stretchy. And one of the problems I do have with a lot of socks is the ankle bit here. It's sometimes tighter, a lot tighter than the rest, but this is, it's tighter but not much. So, out. So medium I got to fit me. So I'm not the tallest of people, so my feet don't need to be as big to balance me. So it's medium size. Now just looking at them, They do feel nice. There's none of that normal, like I said, where the stitching is, where that's over, I don't know what you call it, where it's folded over or pinched together and it sticks out. There's none of that. I'm actually looking forward to using these. Came just at the right time. I needed some more summer socks. Okay, let's read what they say. Let's put them in sight. There you go. Like I said, super durable. Hike for hundreds of miles with socks that are built to last. Moisture wicking. The merino wool blend wicks sweat away from your feet and dries faster. Ultra comfortable padded area. Soft merino wool and no slippage create comfort up to the last mile. That was the heel bit. And blister free hiking, no blisters ever thanks to gentle compression and seamless design for blister prevention. Pointed that out, the seams, there's nothing, you just see the end bits where the stitching, but you can't feel any seam. 100% odour free yarn made from pure silver creates a bacteria and odour free zone around your feet. I've got all the size measurements at the bottom here. If you want, I'll just have a quick go over. Let's see, the same tech used by astronauts and medical professionals to prevent bacteria build-up and growth is in the Silverlight hiking sock. By adding silver yarns into your hiking socks, you can experience blister-free hiking bliss without the bad smell. That's a bonus. Alright, the size, we've got EU, US, UK for men, US, UK for women, and JP, I take it that would be Japan. Small in EU is 35 to 37.5, medium 38 to 40.5, large 41 to 43.5, extra large 44 to 46.5, XXL is 47 plus. In the US, for the small is 3.5 to 6, medium 6.5 to 8.5, large 9 to 11, XL is 11.5 to 13, XXL is 13.5 plus. UK, small 3 to 5.5, medium 6 to 8, large 8.5 to 10.5, extra large 11 to 12.5, XXL is 13 plus. Women's, US, small 5 to 7.5, medium 8 to 10, large 10.5 to 12.5, extra large 13 to 14.5, XXL is 15 plus. UK for women, small 2.5 to 5, 5.5 to 7.5 is medium, large is 8 to 10, extra large is 10.5 to 12, and XXL is 12.5 plus. And in Japan, small is 22 to 23.5, medium 24 to 25.5, large is 26 to 27.5, XL is 28 to 30, XXL is 30 plus. So that's all the sizes. No iron, no washing machine, no tumble dry, just really hand wash. We've got 53% merino wool, 40% nylon, 5% silver fibre and 2% spandex, and actually made in China. So these are the Silverlight crew socks in blue. Now I'll put a link to their webpage down below in the description box. And like I said, I'm going to be giving these a go today. I'll probably be over, I think, 8 kilometers, which is 5 miles, which has got a bit of incline and decline and a bit of flat. So we'll see how the movement goes, and I'll give you an update after the 3-day bushwalk, which has got some good inclines and good declines. Carrying my pack, so we're going to have some weight in there. So yeah, I'll let you know after that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not a subscriber, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, and hit the thumbs up button, the like button. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much.